So we just changed the oil on the injection pump, and this hasn't been checked since we purchased the boat, so I'm going to measure, see how much was in there. We put probably 25 hours, 26 hours on it since we got it, so just a peace of mind. I wanted to change it out so I know where it stands. Doesn't look too bad, doesn't stink at all. Only debris that's in there is little chips of red paint from taking the drain plug off. And puts us right at 10.5 ounces. Kind of hard to see. There's 10 there, 10.5, 11 would be there. It's not too bad. It's supposed to hold 9/10 of a pint, so I think that's pretty close. I'll double check in the manual. So looking in the manual real quick, shows fuel injection pump oil capacity for the middle row is the 60-380 at 0.9 pints, 14.4 ounces, or 425 milliliter. So we were actually a little low. It puts us about 300, just over 300, just shy of 325 milliliter. And 10.5 ounces. We should be 14 and just shy of 14.5. So definitely leaked out a little bit in a short amount of time. There is a little bit of wetting on the back of the injection pump, so we'll just keep an eye on it.